Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 170. In this episode, we're focused on 5 of the biggest niches coming down the pipeline in the next month. So we're going to get out ahead of them and hopefully have a nice organic rank when the sales rush really starts. Let's get to it. We'll kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. I had to record this episode a few days in advance because I'm traveling this weekend. But in the first half of 2023, I made 8,920 sales on Amazon merch. 7,011 came in the US markets, the rest from international markets. And I'm having year-over-year growth in those international markets, which I love, as Amazon will just take my previously uploaded designs and make them available on additional products and additional marketplaces. That is what is so awesome about Amazon merch. Well, one of many things. Royalties generated in the US market, $27,737 on $140,000 of revenue. And probably another, I don't know, I'm guesstimating here, maybe another like a little over 5,000, maybe 5,500 in the international currencies, which after converting may, equate to like 6,000, 6,500, something like that. So Amazon merch is a great opportunity. You guys already knew that, but I just love, and by the way, the back half of the year is where I'm going to make most of my money. So this number will be a lot higher if we check back in at the end of the year, which we will do. So make sure you're subscribed. If you want to follow me on Instagram, link in the description. I do daily sales updates for inspiration. All right, niche number 1, looking towards next month, or in the next month basically, and getting out ahead of some big niches. Niche number 1 is childhood cancer awareness. You can see that the yellow ribbons are going to be a big part of these designs. It's always good to kind of audit the existing designs that are selling well and kind of take note of anything you see that's consistent amongst the best sellers. For instance, we see a lot of dark colored products with light colored designs in the foreground. So some whites are going to contrast well. The yellow obviously contrasts well. And you can see various, text in the designs, things like I wear gold for childhood cancer awareness. I won finished chemo, Cure Fest. Anyways, you also have to obviously check the trademarks and whatnot on these, and don't just copy other people's designs, because that would be copyright infringement. And you can see here on Podly, they give you insights into additional data points when they have them, including keywords that you might want to advertise on or sprinkle in your title and bullet points. And if you're looking to begin to make your own designs and enter this niche, check out Creative Fabrica. They have a ton of resources for pretty much every niche. Honestly, they got something for every niche. I will link specifically to Creative Fabrica so you can get a discounted membership at the top of the description. And I'll put a link to these ribbons, which are great if you want to create any cancer awareness designs, including Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, which, by the way, Childhood Cancer Awareness Month is September. All right, niche number 2, Hispanic Heritage Month, which kicks off on September 15th and goes, I think, until October 15th. All right. Again, take note of the colors, take note of the design styles. I'll duck out of the way. You can see over my shoulder here a lot of integration of various Hispanic, Spanish-speaking countries, I guess maybe is the, I didn't do the research ahead of time, so please forgive me. I don't want to sound like, a dumbass, honestly, if I don't understand these niches, but also never claim to be an expert in them. I just see the BSRs and I say, oh, people are buying these niches, buying these shirts. Let's, serve that demand by making some shirts in these niches based on what people seem to like, audit what's popular and base your designs on those. For instance, check this one out. We've seen, I'm just looking over my shoulder here, the Latina design. We've seen similar graphics used in a lot of the, Black History Month and Juneteenth style designs. Somebody said, okay, this design style is working. I'm going to make the Hispanic Heritage Month version of it. And what do you know? It is already selling well. And we are more than a month away from Hispanic Heritage Month kicking off. So that is awesome. I mean, the BSRs are showing you that these are already selling well. And again, we're more than 30 days out. So take note of that. Love seeing early sales. You can actually see here, based on the BSR history provided by Podly, the niche research tool I'm using to make this video, that the sales seem to really pick up in mid-July. So anybody looking to get into Hispanic Heritage Month this year and next year, target mid-July, 2 months early, all right? Niche number 3 this week is Before we get to niche number 3, guys, quick plug for my free print-on-demand mini course. It is really good. If you give me your email address, I will send you 1 lesson a day for 20 days to help you get started. It's not just step-by-step instructions of what I recommend doing. It's also why I recommend doing it, right? And this is based on my 6+ years of experience now to speak to and multi-million-dollar sales. You can take advantage of this completely free. It is linked in the description. Look for the link labeled free. And my print-on-demand mini course Facebook group is linked down there as well. I'd love to have you. Niche number 3 is Labor Day. That is going to be on September 4th. It's the first Monday of September every year. It always makes me a little sad because, it's kind of like when the beach towns kind of pack up and, I don't know. I always had good memories of, I love the beach. I'm a beach guy. You know what I mean? Marielle, my girlfriend, is a mountain girl. I'm a beach guy. It's okay. We end up doing both. You know what I mean? We have a little bit more freedom with the passive income. So we get to travel a lot. As I mentioned, I'm already traveling right now. So I'm actually traveling back home today, but I do love the beach. And Labor Day just to me means that beach season is coming to a close. So get your last trip in if you haven't gotten there already. Anyways, obviously Labor Day means different things to different people. Here are some, top 10 designs right now indexed on the search term Labor Day from Amazon merch. So check it out. Check your trademarks, obviously, as well. Always be safe. I always link to my video in the description called Is This Niche Safe? Trying to help you guys keep your account safe. So don't forget to check that out as well. Niche number 4 this week, looking forward, is Dot Day. Guys, Dot Day, do not overlook this one. So many sales take place in this niche. Just be safe. I think we talked about this already, and we said that phone cases, there may be a trademark for Dot Day on phone cases, if I remember correctly. All right. Just always do your trademark research. All right. I'm a talking head on a screen. Just because I say Dot Day is a good niche doesn't mean that you can skip trademark research and go upload Dot Day designs. Always take care of your account because no one's going to take care of it as much as you. All right. There are a lot of sub niches in Dot Day as well, and also a very clear design style that is popular, making different shapes and whatnot with dots. The make your mark seems to be a big, prominent piece of text on these Dot Day designs. Make your mark, see where it takes you. I know I've seen some other more interesting ones as well in previous years as it relates to Dot Day. The design over my shoulder here just says Dot Day with a bunch of dots. Niche number 5 this week is going to be fantasy football. You guys know I had to plug it again. I love fantasy football. I beat the drum for this niche every single year, and there's going to be a lot of sales taking place right now in this niche until really the NFL season kicks off. Just remember, don't reference any NFL teams. Do not integrate any portions of their logo, nothing like that. Even the design right up above my head, they grabbed the ESPN fantasy football app icon and put it on a shirt. That is just begging to get their merch account shut down. Do not do that. Also, this one right over here also that I'm pointing to, they are using the NFL logo and they changed an N to a F and made it FFL. I would not do that. That is seriously really bad news. I wouldn't even honestly do the Godfather style design. At least I wouldn't do it on Amazon merch, because Amazon merch, man, we know that they're a little bit pickier and they will drop the ban hammer on you because they just don't care. They don't need you, right? We need them more than they need us. But if you want to go to places like Etsy, especially places like eBay or Redbubble where they don't even care, then if you want to do like the Godfather style design, all right, fine. But I would not still be selling the NFL, the Shield, they call it. I would not be doing that anywhere. Or the ESPN app. Anyways, there's lots of good sub niches too. The Commissioner, right? The I suck at fantasy football. Show me your TDs. League champion. Also league loser, right? There's just so many good niches, man. I love it, all right? And I actually have a good example of one where somebody cross-niched fantasy football with Joe Biden looking clueless, and it says, I'm drafting a kicker in the first round. Drafting kickers, you typically do that in the last round, or just not at all. You just skip it. And you got Joe Biden over there with his confused face on, not trying to get political. It's just the niche here, all right? Just the niche, just the design, saying I'm drafting a kicker in the first round, which nobody does, right? Really bad, idea to do that. So that's a nice little cross-niching example, and it wouldn't surprise me if that design sells a bunch this year. We already see the BSR is doing pretty well. All right, emerging trends. These are shirts that are outperforming their 30-day average BSR by a large margin. Take a quick peek at these over my shoulder here. Don't take pictures of famous actors and put it on a shirt as you did in the top right corner there, unless you have the rights to do so. Pretty widespread. You have another I Heart shirt there, I Heart Joe. Ready to crush second grade. Let the third grade adventure begin. All right, so just some back to school stuff as you'd expect. Get Rich or Die Trying. That was a album from 50 Cent, wasn't it? I would not be doing albums or song lyrics. So careful there. Always validate your keywords. Looking ahead, if you want to sell in niches that are smaller but related to specific times of year, September 13th, so they're at least a month out, so you have time to prepare. Positive Thinking Day, September 14th, International Crab Fest Day. Yum, just had some crabs over the weekend. September 15th, Rosh Hashanah. Rosh Hashanah, isn't it called Rosh Hashanah? September 16th, Oktoberfest begins in Germany. September 17th, Wife Appreciation Day. The Archive, looking back 11 months to try to get a prediction of the future, what might be trending 1 month from now. Take a quick peek. Pretty well dispersed, kind of evergreen style designs, honestly. So no clear-cut direction. Removed designs to wrap things up. Here we go. These were removed in the last 2 weeks. Take a quick peek at them. This could also mean that they were deleted by people, so it doesn't necessarily send a strong signal when it's this spread out, right? Pretty ambiguous, but all right, guys, thank you for watching. Quick reminder, my full print on demand course walks you through how to start, scale, and automate your print on demand business and create multiple passive income streams from print on demand, exactly as I built my own business, which has made me 6-figure profits every year since 2019. You can find out more linked in the description. And check out my private community if you want to work directly with me. One benefit is if you just join for 1 month, I will literally give you free Etsy listings that exceed what you pay to join. And on top of that, you get access to all the resources, access to me, 2 live streams a week, the community boards, lots more. It's a great value, so I hope to see you in there. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.